lagi kang nabibigyan ng teleserye, ng show. Ngayon kasi parang unti-unti yata nababago ang landscape ng TV network dahil ayun nga, yung mga collaboration na yan, yung pagpasok na din ng ABS dito sa GMA. Paano mo ito tinitingnan? Hasta kapuso.
Kailangan laging positive eh. Kasi if you look at it in a negative way, doon ka lang magsisimula na tumingin sa salamin na parang ano pa ba may contribute ko sa network na to? Yung ganon, yung kailangan pa ba nila? Pero if you look at it in a positive way na parang okay lang yan. Sige, may bagong papasok, may ganito. Ano yan? Take it as parang maliit kasi ang mundo. Who would have thought? Who would have thought in years na magiging ganito? So, you can put it in a scarier times. Why? Because from so many networks before, we are down to how many na lang. Then social media is blooming. YouTube, TikTok, it's all hindi ba considered scarier times yun? Kasi baka hindi mo na kailangan ng TV. Kailangan mo na lang is a phone. Diba?
Totoo naman.
Scary in a way, but you have to think positive as long as may manonood. Kahit saan lupalop man ng lady, halos hanggat sa may manonood, just keep on doing something for entertainment, do something para tangkilikin ka pa rin. Kaya nga habang may mga pumapasok kunyari sa GMA, open arms. Hindi naman sila pasok para sirain. Diba? Maliit ang industriya. You have to welcome each and everyone na tulong-tulong. Trabaho to eh.
Okay. So Gab,